Hi everyone, welcome. Today we will learn what is the repeating groups and how you can use it, and it is damn pretty good. So let's dive in. We will create a new page. Repeating, repeating. I think you will groups create. So before going into implementation, repeating group is basically a lift. So for example, you want to show some sort of lift, repeated data you want to show in the lift, you can do it that. I give you example, any lifting platform, for example, Flipkart.com, if you open now. So these are the lifting, horizontal lifting. You can, these are, if you click on view, these are all the horizontal lifting. Repeat. So this is, you can directly you can create that. So we are using a API data. So first we will click on the repeating group. We will, this is automatically converted to 1 2 3 4. This will automatically convert key into 4. Then we'll talk, first we will need to implement the API, because we will using a API to get the data. We will click on name, we will give a get user list. So there's a already predefined API. If you are following my previous so if you previous YouTube video, so you will know I am following this tutorial. I don't think you have to add any API and all. Oh sorry, header, and you just initialize and automatically save. Then you will click over this. You will data source, and now here will be a get data from external API. Choose get user list. There is some. Oh, so basically this will return in the this. So data is the lift. Data key is the lift. So if you click over this, automatically fetch the data. So now you have to just customize the first element, very first element. For me, I will just, or best I already created one now. Get response. I just copy here, this one, copy C. Now go into the repeating groups. Click one. Okay, first we need to create a one group inside a first row. Yes, just data source, data sources. So it is not covering. Yes, now you get a current file get user data. So on the data this, just click over this, it will automatically take the data. Now paste it, select that group, only select that group, first row, paste it here. You have seen कि automatically all these whatever I just pasted ना वो repeating होता चला गया, all these वो repeating. So what we have to do is कि we have to just beautify the representation. I'm just don't like I'm just using it for the tutorial, so I'm not focusing on any beautification or something. You have to click here this. If you click over this, it is going wrong because we have put it wrong. Just click here, click over the insert dynamic data, parent, click over this and its name. That's it. Whatever we are showing email, parent group data, email. What we are showing gender, parent group gender. What we are showing status, parent group status. That's it. That's it. You just see here. Okay. There is some glitch in the power. You just have to refresh. all the data is there. Get to know all this automatically pagination. Oh sorry, once you go down, automatically fetching. This is the all the data you. This is the power of no code. I just take a 4 clicks and that is fucking done, and all the lifts. So we will choose. So here are the more options. If you click over this repeating group, here's vertical scroll. If you click on extension, click and preview. So at the previous, there is only 4 column, and उसके बाद after that it automatically load from the table or API. But here automatically complete view and it is fetching like that. You can change it. Now change it to full list. Any at the very first go, just fetch the complete list and show it. It will fetch all the list and in the one go. There is no such key. It is loading when you scroll down. No. If you click over the fixed number of cells. So basically, if you just fix the okay 2 row, that's it. It will be just 2 row, only 2 row. So you have to put a pagination now to access other tables. Let me know in the comment section if you want pagination wala video, and I will definitely put it down. Horizontal scrolling review. Very easy, very easy. You have to just scroll horizontally. This is the power of the repeating group. And let me just tell you fixed number of list, and we will put a pagination. We will put a button over there, button to click, button, then text where the current page number is, and then again button. We will click over there. Okay, we have to put this apart from the repeating group. Not the part of the repeating group. The repeating group, just put a apart from the repeating group, that is tags. Now the tags, and now again the button. So it is just grab, and this is nest, and this is these are dynamic. So there is a method of page number, that is a current page number. Okay, and if you click over this, start a web flow, button next is click, and there is a method of pagination. So nest, and if you click over this, start, click over this element, so previous. If you click over this, first click on F2, third page, fourth page. You can beautify accordingly. 3, 4. So there's a lot more methods are there. If you click, so if you click here, just click over the element. Display lift. You can manage here. So previous we are using it. So now we are using clear lift. Just clear all the data. Go to the, if you want to go to any page, go to scroll to I don't know. Then just click on seek reference. Entry store. This is the entry to scroll. If it is not available, what is it? Scroll to entry. I think there is something you have to figure it out. Just figure it out very easy. It will be very easy. You got it, my bond? That's it for the repeating group and the pagination. Let me know your feedback, please.